twilight outside, and we're gonna do a twilight test. I love how wide it is. Now that is impressive. Wow, it is complete daylight in this screen. It is dark outside, there's a little bit of twilight, but it's completely bright. Okay, so now I got my headlights off, and look how bright that is. I'll show you guys outside the windshield. Now let me turn my headlights on, and bam, back to life. Let's go take a drive. Oh, you see that? You see that dog right there? Look how hard it is to see when I'm driving. But thanks to this thing, the dog is right there. Move out of the way, German Shepherd. The local criminal. What the hell?
Hey, watch out, officer! Watch out!
It is literally total darkness out there, but not here. These are not special effects. This is the Lanmodo night vision system. How freaking dope is that? Seriously, I really like this thing. So this is perfect for just about any car, any circumstance. Definitely a must if you live out in the country or where there's always low light situations. Okay, so I pulled off to this road where it's like really dark, and check this out. It's straight daytime. Look at that. If there was a rabbit right there, I could freaking see it. I don't have to lie to you guys. You guys could see the evidence for yourself. This thing is amazing.